I wish I hadn't ever started smoking. I just got this recently. It's called the AirPhysio.
Internationally award-winning AirPhysio.
You inhale through your nose and then you blow out into the AirPhysio.
AirPhysio is a simple yet thorough lung training tool that helps force mucus and debris out of airways.
Day one. I coughed up basically the biggest, most disgusting loogie I have ever coughed up in my entire life. It was more than yesterday. The first day I was using my watch, I could basically do about 5 minutes. And today, 15. I feel great. Full breaths in and out. I won't show that to you. It's a big one. All right, check this out. I feel great. Like I can actually breathe.
I have to tell you, I have asthma and I was diagnosed with COPD about 7 months ago. I've had pneumonia 2 to 3 times a year for many years now, and AirPhysio, it works like magic.
If you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It changed my life. I am not joking. Seriously, it changed my life and it will change your life too.
AirPhysio being dropped on concrete. We've removed the ball bearing because there is potential there it would actually smash a window if it came out. Here we go. Let's try. Apart from a few scratches from the concrete, there's no real damage, and I'll go get the ball bearing. Ready? Got the ball bearing, put it back together. And it works.